Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head in and check out all the deals this week in Walgreens. We've got more gift card deals, free toothpaste, and a really good deal on Nexus. So let's go check them all out. So a deal that was already pretty good got amazing with new $5 off coupons for Nexus that came out on Sunday. This is also available as Walgreens Digital, and most of you will find 2 in your Walgreens Digital account. So head to Walgreens, scan the barcodes on the back with the Walgreens app. That's going to auto load the $5 off coupons. There's also one that you can print, so print those 2 and head in. Now, you can really grab a number of things here. It's buy $20 worth and get 10,000 points back. That's 10 bucks. So buy 20, you're getting half of it back in rewards. Shampoo, conditioner is like in the $15 to $19 range, and you can do some stylers that are $13.49. So mix and match however you want. You're gonna spend $20, you're gonna get $10 back. Make sure you use those digital coupons. However you wanna mix and match this, that's gonna be $5.49 to as low as $2.99, depending on how you work the deal. And you can also get multiple here. So I could get 4 and I'm actually gonna get 20,000 points back. So think about your math and think about how many coupons you have as to how you can work that the best, but it's still gonna come out to a very good price compared to the regular price on Nexus. There's a pretty good deal on Pampers this week if this is your brand. So they're on sale, 2 for $18, and when you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. There are also a number of digital coupons, some for the Swaddlers, the Cruisers, almost every single type. This also includes the Easy Ups. So use your digital coupons, grab 2 packs, get back a $4 reward. Most of the digitals are $3 off 2. So using the digital coupon and the reward, you're gonna end up paying $5.50 a pack for a pack of Pampers. These are the jumbo size, so the small packs. It's not a bad price. You can actually make this a little bit better. If you have not used your Saving Star offer, there is a $15 back Saving Star mobile offer when you buy $50 worth of P&G products, and Pampers are included. Now, obviously for this deal, you need to buy them in sets of 2. You're not gonna get another register reward. It's only gonna print 1 per transaction. But if you wanted to stock up on diapers, you totally could. Saving Star will track you across multiple purchases. So I could grab 2 packs of diapers, get a $4 reward, get another 2 packs of diapers. You get the idea. You could finish your $50 purchase or add this towards other items that you're grabbing, but definitely factor in that extra $15 back with that Saving Star offer. So again, scan the barcode on the back of this with the Walgreens app, use the $3 digital coupon, get the $4 reward back, and pay $5.50, not even factoring in the Saving Star offer. Make it even better with the Saving Star offer. Grab your Walgreens monthly booklet or load the digital version of the monthly coupon and get L'Oreal LV for $1.50 a bottle. This week they're on sale 2 for $8. We just got a $3 off 2 in Sunday's paper, and we have a store coupon for $2 off 2. So again, they're on sale, just 2 for $8. There's no rewards needed here. So you're gonna pay $8, but you have $5 in coupons. So the $2 store coupon and the $3 manufacturer's coupons, that means you're gonna grab 2 bottles and you're gonna pay $3. No rewards needed. So $1.50 a piece for hair care or stylers, whichever way you wanna go. And it's a pretty great price if you're liking this brand. Want a deal on paper goods? Because this is a good one. I kind of live in paper plate mode in our house, but Dixie paper plates and Vanity Fair napkins are all on sale, buy one, get one this week. There are a number of Walgreens digital coupons for both products. So again, scan your barcodes. This is like a theme this week if you haven't noticed. Scan your barcodes. You will need to buy 4 to use a $1 off 2 coupon. That is the annoying part about Walgreens, and nowhere do they say that anywhere in the store either, by the way. So these are on sale, buy one, get one. You're not allowed a coupon on the one that's free. So to use your $1 off 2 digital coupon, you've got to buy 4 packages, use that $1 off 2 digital, but in the end, you're gonna pay $1.75 for a 48 count of plates, or go bigger and get the smaller package. You should get the more plates, in my opinion, but $1.75, that's a great price for a 48 count of Dixie paper plates. So grab this one, it's only good this week, and you've got lots of digitals to use on the paper plates or the Vanity Fair napkins. Either way you wanna go. There's a great deal on detergent this week in Walgreens. Buy Arm & Hammer, one of them, and you're gonna get 2 for free. There are no coupons, there's no extra savings there, it's just buying 1 and getting 2 for free, which is pretty sweet. In my store, they're $6.99. Now this is gonna vary, the store price varies for every store if you haven't learned that one already. But that basically makes them $2.33 a package, no coupons needed. Do make sure that you grab 3 of them or you're gonna miss the sale. So again, buy 1, get 2 free, and the sale ends this Saturday. We've got another free and easy toothpaste deal this week. Colgate Total SF and a few other types of Colgate are on sale for $3.99. When you buy 2 of them, you get back a $6 reward. So math-wise, guys, no coupons here. It's 99 cents a box, but we're gonna focus with coupons. We've got $1 off digital coupons. Grab your Walgreens app. You will then use that digital coupon. There's a printable that you can grab as well. Use 2 coupons. You'll pay $2.99 a box after the coupon per box, and you'll get back $6 in rewards. So completely free after the coupons and after the reward. So we have a month-long deal that's running on Crest and OralB, and it doesn't make it an amazing deal, but it does on toothbrushes if you can find the exact ones that I'm gonna mention here. So the OralB Pulsar right here, it is $5.99, and then look for the OralB Pro Health Twin Pack, also $5.99. Buy both of them, you're gonna be over the $10 that you need, and then there are 2 $2 off digital coupons. So guys, scan your barcodes, load your digital coupons. There's a $2 for the Twin Pack, there's a $2 for the Pulsar. So you are gonna pay basically $11.98 minus $4 in digital coupons, and then get back $5 in rewards. So you get back 5,000 balance points. So again, you're paying $11.98 minus $4 in digitals, so that's $7.98 minus $5 in rewards. You're gonna pay $2.98 for the Twin Pack Pro Health and the Pulsar toothbrush. So in the end, it's basically 99 cents a toothbrush since you're getting 3 toothbrushes. They're also not the cheap ones. It's a pretty good price for the more expensive OralB toothbrushes, and a great thing to add to your medicine cabinet. There's a pretty good deal on toys. Walgreens runs this every year. Grab 2 and you're gonna get 1 for free, and they're all $6.99. So this is everything from Hot Wheels to, favorite brands, little art kits. It's gonna really, hit a lot of age ranges, and it makes them all basically $4.33 a piece, which is a great price for toys. There are no coupons here, it's just the sale, and the sale is running through November 30th. So you've got 2 weeks left to grab this one. Also, check end caps. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a whole end cap over there of Disney, and all of those are included too. So they're all buy 2 and get 1 free. So mix and match here. Use them as stocking stuffers, or they're great even for angel tree gifts, but $4.33 per toy. It's a pretty good price. This week's gift card deal, buy 2 Cabela's, Bass Pro, or Fanatics gift cards and get a $10 Walgreens gift card back. In some stores, you might be able to find $15 gift cards, probably not. So grab 2 $25 gift cards. You're gonna pay 50 bucks, but you're gonna get $10 back. And guys, that's 20% off of a Cabela's or Bass Pro or Fanatics gift card. And this really can make for a great gift, or 2 great gifts if you grab the 2 $25 gift cards, stick them in somebody's stocking or wrap them up, and you have $10 to then spend for other things on Walgreens. So grab something for them, grab something for you. It's not bad, but it's a 20% savings. So there you go. There's definitely some deals to grab this week. Check your Walgreens account, because I have a coupon for just $2 off any $15 purchase. And a lot of folks are getting bonus point printables this week, meaning you grab one little thing, always grab one little thing first, see if it prints at the register. It's a little strip of paper, and it gives you 5,000 bonus points when you purchase $20 worth. That's the normal one anyway. So think about that. You grab $20 worth of Nexus, this is gonna come out to be a really good price after the 10,000 points back on the Nexus, and then a 5,000 bonus point. So those, you don't always know if they're gonna print, but you wanna start, you wanna go in and just grab one little deal, check out, and it will print on that first transaction of the week if you're gonna get one. and then turn around and buy everything else that you planned on buying. So a couple other little things, make sure you check out the Walgreens list on Southern Savers for more deals. And there are some smaller items. So like Lindsay olives, canned olives are 49 cents this week. Grab some canned olives, see if you get that coupon off of your entire purchase, and then put everything else on the counter. So always play the game and see what prints. That's a huge tip for Walgreens. But if you head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, you will see all of the deals that I've mentioned and more, and all of the coupons that are available. Grab some that you can print. You can load some even straight from your computer as digitals and head in. This week is heavy on the digital coupons, so it is a great week if you've not been getting the Sunday paper. It's a good week to get started without having to have a lot of coupons already in your back pocket. So see what deals you can grab. If you're just getting started, start small. Don't grab too many because you're going to get a little overwhelmed. And remember, your balance points, they don't expire for a while. So if you end up with some register rewards, let's plan to turn those around and to use them right away on other items. But balance rewards, you can head out. You can leave them for a bit. You've got about 6 months. If you never shopped in Walgreens, or if you regularly shop there off and on, you've got a year until they're going to expire. So, grab the deals this week. Take some time off for the holidays if you want, but you got a little while till you have to get back in and use them. So hopefully this helps you be able to grab the deals, and make sure to also subscribe so that you'll catch all of the weekly deals as I post them, and the CVS video that I'll hopefully get up in the next day or so.